Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Trezor Keep Metal versus Cryptotag Zeus. Follow along as I break down build quality, engraving methods, and real-world usability so you can pick the best metal seed backup for your needs. I'll highlight durability tests, corrosion resistance, and installation steps, then summarize which option suits different backup habits. Stay tuned for clear comparisons and practical tips to protect your crypto seed phrase efficiently and confidently. Both devices use robust metals to protect seed phrases, but they differ in assembly and finishing. Trezor Keep Metal relies on stacked plates and bolts for protection, whereas Cryptotag Zeus is a single solid block with precision engraving. I'll walk through how each metal handles corrosion, shock, and long-term storage, plus tips on sealing, labeling, and where to store them safely and regularly to minimize environmental risks to your backup. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and prevent sad salad spills, so they save time and sanity. I linked them and other deals in the description for an easy find, no spam. Think of leak-proof containers as physical insurance for snacks the way metal backups ensure seed phrases. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Engraving affects readability and longevity, so choose a method that resists wear and corrosion. Trezor Keep Metal uses stamped or punched characters, while Cryptotag Zeus uses precision engraving for deeper letters. I'll show installation steps, how to verify engravings, and tips to avoid common mistakes like over-tightening or misaligned plates. These practical steps help ensure your seed remains legible and retrievable under stress or long-term storage and backup testing routines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.